So hello, we are going to Jewel. It'll be my third time in 4 days, which is quite cool. Yeah, and we're going there the third time because we're gonna collect his laptop.
Yeah, my laptop is fixed. Gonna show you the Apple Store again.
Very fast. Fixed it within 3 days.
No, 2 days actually.
2 days actually.
Yeah, but I'm only collecting now because now then I'm free.
Yellow, yellow. Hey guys, so I'm just reporting because we were standing here and there was a dragonfly that dropped. This bugger. It gave us a shock.
I think it's dead, it's not dead.
Then we are here. Hey, you're supposed to wait there. Hello. You're supposed to wait there.
Wow, same phone.
Yeah, lor. He's supposed to wait there. We're supposed to wait here and then he's moving around. Ooh. Hello, back.
Just waiting for it to go and then see. Is there anything that's inside?
Let's take a seat.
Here.
But I got a little bit of a scratch now. Yeah.
Transaction first for installment, yeah?
Is there a small one?
So that's why I said that I'm going to charge the card now
Take photo.
to see whether you have.
Okay. Hey, we super extras, yeah. We're like watching our own vlog.
No, I'm just testing out the MacBook.
Yeah.
Audio is good. It means everything is functioning properly.
Yay! So we have come to eat over here. Hopefully we can find a place to sit. And eat hygienically.
Without all the water going in.
Yeah. We need to find a good space.
Okay.
Yeah, got the burger. Got the view. Got the boyfriend. Yay!
Right. Doing a review, right?
맛있어요. We just finished our dinner by the Safari.
Wow, super full eh.
How was the A&W burger? I had cheeseburger. It was nice. It was okay.
I had the Boza burger.
You had the Bozor burger.
I said Moza, not Boza.
More.
Anyway, moving on. And then the root beer tastes like sassy.
Yeah. I think it's the same thing, it's the same drink.
No, it's root beer.
It's the same drink.
A&W serve root beer, not sassy.
Okay,
Anyways, where are we going?
we are going
we're
to
going We're going where? Launch.
Yeah, we're going to check in over here. And then we're going to go to Australia. VTL! No, I'm just kidding. Yeah. We found a great view of the vortex. Oh my god, it's like water coming like from the top. Oh my goodness. Are you seeing this? Like unbelievable. It's like Changi. Oh gosh, it's like so hard to pronounce. It's like Changi Airport. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look like blood coming down. Oh, my blood. Look at that blood. Water that is covered. Oh no, look at it. As I'm talking, the water is stopping. It is stopping for me. Oh man.
Oh no, look at that. That's like smoke coming out of it.
Was it overheated or something?
Oh my goodness. This thing has been working like 24/7. Like it's tired. Like give him break. Look at that. It's like crying. Like whoo. Oh my gosh, could this be like how Jesus is gonna enter?
Oh my
like,
god.
on a cloud. Oh, get a round of applause. Water is back on. Yay.